Welcome to another question from the field. Last episode we talked about electrical maintenance and the why behind it. And we looked at the automotive industry. The automotive industry sets a standard to maintain and preserve the asset that you've invested in. Believe me, if you're going to drop $30,000 or $40,000 on a vehicle, you want to extend and get the most out of it. When it comes to your electrical system, it's not much different. And we're not talking tens of thousands of dollars. For some of you, you're spending hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars to create an electrical infrastructure to run your building, to run your facility. And the industry does the same thing. There are standards written by NEMA. There are standards written by NETA and IEEE. Your manufacturer who makes the electrical that's in your building, it could be Square D, Siemens, Westinghouse, Cutler Hammer. Doesn't matter the brand, they all write a standard for you, a maintenance program to follow for two reasons. One is to maintain the reliability and integrity of the electrical system. The second is to get the full life out of it. So it doesn't matter if you have a small building or a large building, there is a program written for you to know how to maintain it properly.